So yeah, bro. I'm on my email right now and trying to show you this account which I've reached with PipFarm 5K account which I got for $9 for yeah. So I'll leave a code for y'all to use when you want to purchase with the 15% off kind of thing. But you can also use the link on my description to buy this account for $9 if you really want to buy the account with $9 because the promotions will run out on 31st July. But anyways, challenge failed, risk management failed. Man, we all want money, man. And when we breach account, we don't have to feel like we are losers, man. The real loser is the one who give up. Daily loss is 3% and max loss is 3% over 9%, which means I still have 6% most. But because I didn't call it a day and I lost the account, and it's fine, man. They give me a discount just to say sorry for another account if I feel like I want to come back. But anyways, the code is PSOZ, okay, PSHG. So if you wanna use the link, use the code, click the link on my description and start trading with the best prop firm, PipFarm. I recommend, which is the best, man. Comparing PipFarm with Funded Next and Alpha Capital Group, they do pay, man. We all want that payout. We gotta go for the payout. I'm telling you, all my videos from now on will be focused on payout, and I'm gonna make a payout after breaching and breaching and breaching. No need to give up. Click the link on my description, start trading with the best, and the best to become the best. I know you're the best, man. Watching the best to become the best, listening to the best, hearing the best words from the best. You know what I'm saying, bro? But anyways, man, PipFarm, they fund you from 5K to $300K. $300,000. 1% of 300,000 is $3,000. When you convert it to South African rand, oh my god. So anyways, man, let's just focus, man. When we lose, man, 1%, we need to call it a day. There's no need to revenge trade. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow will be a sunny day, happy day. You know what I'm saying? But when you breach account, feel like the world is ending. Ha ha ha. On 0.94%, bro. For real, bro. 0.9%. Yo, man. Yo, like this week, gold. Haha. Gold was performing like crazy, bro. Gold was performing crazy this week, bro. Yo, man. So I wanna get inside this market and show you that you and I, we missed a lot of good setups, bro. But I feel like one day we're gonna catch these setups if we are consistent and if we are patient. So you know what I'm saying. So in this video, I just want to talk about this simplified gold trading strategy, which will probably make someone a millionaire in 2 to 3 years, or I don't know, 2 to 3 years or 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3, let's say 2 to 3 months, because like 2 to 3 years is a very long time. But consistency is key. Consistency is the name of the game. So don't get confused, don't get washed out, or like, you know, with everything you see. I'll explain it one by one, okay? First thing first, there is a line moving all over the place. Two lines, you know, there is a thick line. Let me zoom in, zoom out. So there's zooming. There is this brown thick line. You can see this brown thick line. We're on the 4-hour time frame. I love to be on the 4-hour time frame. If I can click here, you can see the period that I love looking at is the 4-hour, the daily, and the weekly. You know, sometimes the 1 hour, but the 1 hour I prefer to watch it when the 4-hour is pretty good, you know, because I believe in the daily and the weekly and the 4-hour, because they don't lie. The 1 hour can be choppy, and if the 1 hour is choppy, the 15 is choppier, and the 5 is killing. You know, choppy market, they will kill you. So don't be killed, bro. So I'm trying to help you, and I'm trying to help my future self. So anyways, the brown thick line, as you can see, is a 200 moving average, and the small line, which is the 21 moving average, is the 21 moving average. So don't be confused. And the blue line, okay, you can see the red lines. The red lines is my support, resistance. That's just the reality, bro. All these other people on YouTube, they're trying to teach you too many things. You get confused, bro. support and resistance. I'll make a simplified video about support and resistance, but today I just want to talk about the simplified gold trading strategy, which you need to make or extract or download money from these markets and from these prop firms, but anyways, because gold was busy this week doesn't mean that gold will be busy every week. Maybe next week gold will be choppy, but you need to be patient and wait for these trending conditions, because man, we already know we have different market structures. We have trending markets, bullish market, bullish market, bearish market, ranging, choppy markets, and we always tend to lose in choppy markets because we want to rush in, we want to jump in, we're tired of waiting, we want to cash out, payout. So here's the thing, bro, that I'm trying to show you. This is the 4-hour time frame. You can see here I have my period separators. You can see here period separators. This week was the 14/07/2025, and this week is the 21. This week, this is the week I want to talk about, especially for gold. That's why I made this video about gold. So I said gold as a simplified gold trading strategy, which will make you profitable, right? Or simplified gold trading strategy that changed everything. Simplified gold trading strategy that change, something like that. But here's the thing, titles is not important, making money is important. Okay, so as you can see, if I click here, so you can see on my period separators, this is 3 a.m. in the morning. So 4-hour, it moves like 3 7 11 3 7 11 3 7 11. Doesn't matter if it's a.m. or p.m. A.m. or p.m., it doesn't matter. What matters is support and resistance, breakout, pullback, and execution. So here's the thing, so let me zoom in, zoom out. So I'm currently using a tablet, bro. Don't have a PC yet. I'm a day trader, but I can't afford a PC. It happens, bro. Don't even have a car, bro. So here's the thing, so check. The most important thing is for you to listen and watch until the end, because me, I don't need your cash, but there will be a time where you will have to pay for my robot, pay for my signals. For now, I don't have that. All I have is just this tablet and this market, and I believe that this market that always chop me up and make me a fool, play with my emotions, one day I'm gonna deal with it. But the only way to deal with this market is to know that this market is the boss, man, the boss. And if you are not disciplined, you will be fired and you will be taken out. I've been taken out too many times, but I've realized that my mistakes is what costing me millions and billions of dollars in this. So okay, let's check. So you can see I already explained the two moving averages. So you can see the 3 a.m. 21 07 2025. Okay, and we closed here on 7 p.m. 25/07/2025. Remember, 3711 3711 3711 4-hour time frame, a.m. p.m. 3711. I'm talking about 3 a.m. and then we count from 3 a.m. to 7, like 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then from 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and from 11 12 1 2 3. Right, it's p.m. already from a.m. right? So that's 24 hours type thing. But this strategy kind of like a swing trading, but it's the same thing, man. 1 hour 15 minutes, it's the same thing, depending on how long can you wait for a pullback, because the most important thing is the pullback. This video was more about a pullback, but I'm gonna make a lot of videos, to elaborate more on the important things that I want you to catch on, or my future self, because I'm making these videos for my future self. For my future self, when he before he blows his account, I want him to learn something, because I know he's gonna blow account tomorrow and the next week, and then he's gonna buy another one and blow and he doesn't get tired, because this thing is playing with his emotions and is fooling him all the time. Okay, check. I said the red lines, all the red lines, support and resistance, depending on the trend, or falling or going to the moon, because people are going to the moon, man. Why not? Whatever goes up must come down. Okay, done with the period separators. Now, let's check. on Monday 03 a.m. 21/07/2025. You can see here. Okay, before the 21, let's go a little bit back. You can see here we have this pullback. We have this two candlestick right here, this two candlestick, and then we have this bullish engulfing, right? And then price that started going up from 11 a.m. 18/07/2025 after the bullish engulfing, right? So that was before 21. But okay, let's go to this week, last week, this week. Today is 28, 26, yeah. So this 21 week. So yeah, today is 26, right? So I'm making this video on 26 it's 4 minutes to 3 p.m. like 26 or 7:25 anyway. But you can see here, after this bullish engulfing, after we close above the 21 moving average, you can see the 21 moving average, which is the thin red line, and you can see the bullish engulfing, and then after that we closed above the 200 moving average, right? And then after that, gold started buying and moving from 33.40 to 33.60. So gold like to play around 20 points. I can say 20 points because it's 33.40, then 41, 42, 43, 50, 59, 60, right? It's 20, 60 minus 40 is 20, 33 minus 33 is that's 0, you know. But 20 points, you can make something out of 20 points depending on your lot size, okay? So you can see that we started buying after this bullish engulfing, and then we hit that 60, and then after that we had this bearish candlestick, and then after that we had another second bearish candlestick. That's the pullback, right? That's the pullback. That's what we want to see, because we closed above the 21 moving average, we closed above the 200 moving average. I told you the brown thick line is the 200 moving average. And then after that we went to 60. We had these two bearish candlesticks. For people who are pushing reversals, trading reversals, then they could have catched it right here after the close on 7 p.m. But after the close, remember, after the close we need to close to confirm, because we can't just jump in, because we never know what's gonna happen. Anything can happen. So after this pullback, gold started like pushing up, right? Bouncing above 200 moving average. Already we are above 21 moving average. Now we bounce, rejecting 200 moving average, and then now we're on this week 21 21/07/2025 3 a.m. Asian session. This was the perfect time to go up, go long, and hold your bites depending on your targets. 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:6. I do not know what you prefer, but myself, I feel like 1:2 is good for a beginner. 1:3 is good for a more immediate or intermediate, and then 1:5, 1:6 is for people who are advanced, who understand what they're doing. It doesn't even matter about 1:2. I mean, it matters the most because if you're risking 2%, 1:2 is target is 3%, right? But this video is not about risk to reward. Like, check, man. After that, let's say I try to take this position here, right? 3 a.m. Asian session. I put my stop loss 10 points, 10 pips, and then you can see there's enough room for this gold thing to breathe. And then I put my take profit starting from 20 pips above, right? That's 1:2. You can see that 1:2 was out, TP was hit, right? Probably about 4, 8, 12 hours, right? And then if I had to extend and go for 3%, like again 3% was out. If I have to extend and go for 4%, 4% was out. That's like, I mean, 4% on a 5k, that's 210. I mean 4% on a 10k, that's for $400, right? Of course. So yeah, man, look at this, look at the entry after the two black candlesticks, which is a pullback. I'm telling this my future self, or my future self, because yeah, of course. Or somebody wants to learn how to like catch these setups, because this is how the market move, right? You don't want to target here, because it will take you out too early, and then you will miss out the whole move, man. Look at the whole move. All probably I mean, it was very fair to go for 4% because after that we had another pullback, right? After gold breaking all this 60, breaking above 80 and closing above and probably hitting 400, 3400. And then after that we had this pullback again. We have these bearish candlesticks 1 2 3 or probably 4 8 12 16 hours. Remember, this is the 4-hour time frame, and I said this thing, this system, it also applies in 1-hour time frame. It doesn't matter the time frame. So we had 1 2 3 and then it's a pullback, and then after that we had this bullish engulfing. Man, the hardest part about this game is about it's when you wait for the same setup again tomorrow, man, or next week, man. Because like it's good when you analyze this thing after the close, but when it's live, man, you go crazy because you see this market moving wild, man, wild, especially chopping markets. That's when you will like make a lot of mistakes and like go crazy. But anyway, you see this bullish close. For people who don't want to wait for a confirmation, they could have entered here, right? They could have entered and catch it here on the open because already they know, or this is my system. I always look for a breakout. Look at the breakout of 80, 33.80, and then we closed above, and then after that we're buying here at 3 p.m. I don't prefer to take this setup because already it has moved beyond. I missed it and I could have cashed it when it was here, right? But after that we had a pullback, giving us another opportunity to join the trend, and then after that we closed above this resistance here at 3400, and then after that we started buying. So I feel like this bullish engulfing was worth taking. Let's just do that thing again, and we try to take a position here. We try to take a position here after the close, and we put a stop loss at the same place. You need to be consistent with your lot size and take profit. So and you need to take advantage of a fast market, trending market, which is like moving in your favor. Like 2% was out, like just like that. You can see 2% was out, probably 3%, I guess, like 3%. 3%, wow, 3% was out, man, with the bullish engulfing system after a pullback. So beautiful, so beautiful. And then after that we started reversing. So kind of like it was a bullish trend for 2 days. Mondays, gold was buying Monday and Tuesday, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday started dropping. You can see here we had a bearish engulfing. So here was the entry at 34.20, and you can see all these entries are reasonable because they are like you are entering from a key level, support and resistance, right? So you take a short trade. Like this was Wednesday, and then after another bearish engulfing, price was traded below 21 moving average. Same thing, you take a position here and then drop, and then pull back, and then these 3 bullish candlestick, and then after that bearish engulfing, and then drop, and then oh my god, man, gold has its own time, bro. I'm telling you, the coming week, I'm telling you, anything can happen. It can be choppy as F, man, because it loves to be chopping, get inside a box for many days, and then after that, for sure, we are building up accumulation when we are in a choppy situation, right? Yeah, that's just that. So, but man, I tried to show you this, but I'm gonna make a lot of videos so that you can understand me, and we're using different time frames because time frame now I feel like time frame flex is not important anymore. Man, I'm a swing trader, I'm a day trader, I'm a scalper. Nah, man, the most important thing is the strategy, man. Understanding how these things move, man. Because like if once you get that thing of like, okay, when you do this, I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, man, you are done. You're through. You're through. Waiting for a pullback, I feel like it's everything because like because it doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter as long as you focus on the right things, the right things. As if I go to the history, you can see took a loss 0.05 lot minus 9.75. Okay, it's fine. This is one of my prop firm account. So yeah, man. So total realized PNL current week 21.07.25 to 26.07.25 minus 49 USD. So like yeah, man, it is what it is, man. I'm down, so I'll be up. I'll be up. I'll be up. So pro firms which I recommend, man, Pip Farm, Alpha Capital Group, Quintakel, now Funded Next. Yeah, Funded Next is the best, bro. If you don't know about Funded Next, oh my gosh. But anyways, thank you for watching, bro. I got more videos. Bro, the reality is, bro, like I can't lie, man. We all like going through the same thing, bro. We're all blowing accounts, buying accounts, blow, new account, blow, new account, blow, new account, blow. But the most important thing is consistency, bro. If you're consistent, bro, if you like stick with it, if you know you got a strategy, you believe in your system, and you know that this thing it will happen again, it will happen again, it will happen again, over and over and over and over. Amen. Now I no longer get emotional, bro. I used to get emotional about a loss, bro. A loss will make me feel like, oh my God, this is the end of the world. But it's never like the end, bro. A loss is a stepping stone. Once you take it like a lesson, you beginner traders, you need to learn, bro. You need to learn, bro. Learn, rinse and repeat. Take a loss, see a setup, bang. Till you take a setup, and then things don't go the way you planned. Oh my God, they hit my stop loss again. Oh my God, they hit my stop loss again. Oh my God, they hit my stop loss. Cause if you don't put a stop loss, you're gonna take a position, and then it goes in your favor, and you're all excited, man. You're starting to feel some things, man. So the hair is starting to start to feel good. That happy hormone that dopamine is it a dopamine or serotonin? Like you start to feel excited, bro, because now you see that thing is going in your favor. Because if the entry is 33.40, now price is moved in your favor about like 10 pips, and now you are up $50. And you feel like you're on top of the world. You're so excited, bro. You don't know what to do, bro. Should I close? I'm up $50, but your target is like 3%. And you know that the last time I targeted 3%, or the last time I went out too early, it went beyond my take profit. So now you closed too early with that 1%. I don't know 1%, 2%, depend on the account size, because like 5k, 10k, 100k, 50k, it's all about number. It's a numbers game. Don't man, it's a percentage game. Start treating it like, okay, today I've made 1%. Okay, cool, that's cool. That's what you're gonna give me today. But how about the whole week? How much you gonna give me whole week in total? Okay, 5%. Wow, okay, but how can you lose 5% in a day? You're gonna blow the account, bro. Gold is gonna be there tomorrow. Why are you over trading, over scalping, over leveraging, going crazy, doing some crazy stuff? Yeah, we've all been there. We're still doing it even today, man. I just got this email, telling me, hey, man, you just lost the account. Okay, I lost the account. Okay, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. It happens sometimes. We lose, and then we gotta come back, man. We gotta come back stronger. This time we're playing, man. We're playing. Once it like the setup plays out, once the setup plays out, you can go with a smaller size, bro. I'm not saying you got a full pot. Nah, I'm saying use your normal, consistent lot size for a one good trade. You take a position, only one position, just to see if that position is serious. It's serious, it's a buy, then yeah, it's a buy. Yeah, okay, if it's a buy, we're gonna see if it's a buy. But all of a sudden, that buy, like, it's becoming weak. Already, you had to pyramid, like, you add, you add, you add, you add. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, that's what I did with Nasdaq, bro. On Friday, I lost my account, bro. Oh man. I lost my account, bro. Like, and I feel really bad for that because I added, like, I added into positions before Nasdaq was like, it confirmed that yes, we're buying, because already I saw it was up 0.09%, and I was like, today is a good day. Checking the higher time frame, weekly. Oh my God, sorry, weekly is bullish. What is this thing? Uh, 4 hour is bullish, daily is bullish, and I go to the 1 hour. I'm like, damn, okay, okay, it's Nasdaq, so I'm going lower because, hey man, Nasdaq, US 30, German indexes, bro. You can never swing those things, man. Cause like, if they swing, they only swing for small little time. They ain't like forex, man. They ain't like UJ, Euro USD. You know, you can hold your position overnight and pay the fees to the broker, swap fees and overnight charges, and brokers, man, commissions. Brokers, they make money. They think like we crazy, man. Cause we retail traders, man, we always lose, and brokers are always cashing out. Hey, man. But like, again, man, if you know that like, you're taking some losses, like, you're taking some losses, and you can't help it, like, take a break, right? Take a break. Tomorrow is another day. That's what I told myself. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day. Yeah, for real. Tomorrow is another day. Well, I should make another video, man, talking about tomorrow is another day. Because it's very, very important, bro. Next week is coming. Next month. Why you wanna take one loss? And then you'll be like, damn, you took my money. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you who I am. I cannot lose, man. I cannot lose. Man, come. Yo, Equity Edge, MT5 is back on Equity Edge, bro. Like, yo, man, we're gonna go crazy. We're gonna go crazy. Shout out to Equity Edge. I've been with Equity Edge for like 1.5 years now, or 2 years now. Counting back when you've been doing something is crazy because time keeps flying and you're enjoying what you're doing. Like, I'm talking about blowing accounts, bro. I'm gonna show you. I don't know if I should show you because it's depressing. Showing you the email. Unfortunately, you breached the max daily loss. Man, I know I already breached the max daily loss. Why are you telling me that I breached the max daily loss? Because I know that if I breach the max daily loss, max daily loss like 5%, for example, on 10K. I know that, like, I'm breaking the rules. There's a reason why I'm breaking the rules. I choose to break the rules because of a specific reason. I'm trying to get to the funded stage. I'm trying to get a payout as quick as possible. The things that I'm planning, like, I'm moving fast, bro. I'm moving, and this market is chopping. And why am I rushing everything? Why, instead of like, okay, I took a 1% loss, or more than 1% or 2% loss, and I'm like, damn, today we are very, very choppy. Maybe I should do something. Maybe I should relax, chill, listen to music, watch movies, and like, wait for a better trading conditions, like trending markets, because trending markets, honestly, bro, they trend, they move only 30%, bro. I I I as I already said, like, Equity Edge is it's giving people free MT5 10K funded account. Oh, the only thing you need to do is to buy a any account size, like any account size, and then they're gonna give you a free account, for sure, for sure. But as you can see, like you can like let's just try to check. I'm on my Discord right now, trying to check the free account. Like, and they said that the free account, it's going like it will the free account will be issued on 31st July, which is the last day. So click the link on my description for purchasing any account with Equity Edge, and they're cheap, bro. Very very cheap. Let's say you trade for 7 days and you make profit as follows. 50, yeah. So make sure you buy the account with Equity Edge. Click the link on my description and get funded. Okay, so yeah, man. So I don't know, but I feel like Equity Edge is it will change the game right now with MT5, and yeah, for real, man. Trust me, the Equity Edge will change the game with MT5, and things will be much better. Cause like now they got match trade. The match trade is dope. I don't wanna lie, but MT5, bro, yo, MT5 is the goat of the goat. All these big prop firms now they have MT5, like Alpha, Quintakel, Funding Pips also. They've been having MT5, you know. But like, yeah, I don't know if I should show you the pricing with the equity edge, 40% MT5 pre-sale, to convince you that the accounts are very cheap and you can buy an account and stop breaching the account, bro. If you lose, call it a day. But the last thing that I want to show you is the trades that I took today. I mean took this week. I will leave them at the end of the video, and I wanna show you the message I got after breaching my 5K with Pip Farm, which I bought at the discounted code $9. I bought it for $9. I breached it, bro. I breached it with that Nasdaq trade. To tell the truth, I wasn't lying. But anyways, yeah, man, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. So yeah, man. Yeah, I will see you on the next video. I'm cooking some nice videos for y'all, man. Thanks. Yeah, peace out.